Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making a very special dessert, an eggless vanilla mooncake. This cake is inspired by the incredible moment in history when humans first landed on the moon. Countries like the United States and Canada have contributed so much to space exploration, and this cake is my little way of celebrating that proud achievement. So let's make this beautiful mooncake. For this small cake, I'm starting with 1/4 cup of yogurt, which replaces the eggs. Then I'm adding 1/4 cup of oil and 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Next goes 1/3 cup of sugar. Mix everything together until the mixture looks smooth and creamy. Now I'll add the dry ingredients. 1/2 cup flour, 1/2 teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda. Combine everything gently. You'll get a thick batter at this stage. To smooth it out, I'm adding 1/3 cup of warm milk. But you don't have to use all of it. Add a little at a time. If the batter becomes smooth, stop. If it still looks thick, add a bit more milk. Once the batter is silky and lump-free, it's ready to go into the baking pan. I'm using a 4-inch baking pan. Pour the batter in and tap the pan a few times to release any air bubbles. Bake at 350 Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes. While the cake is baking, let's prepare the frosting. In a bowl, add 3/4 cup heavy whipping cream and 1/4 cup sugar. Beat it until it becomes thick and fluffy. Now take 6 ounces of cream cheese in another bowl and add the whipped cream to it. Add 1/4 teaspoon vanilla extract and beat again until the frosting becomes smooth, thick, and creamy. To create the moon's gray color, add a few drops of black food coloring and mix well. For the moon's bumpy surface, I'm crushing some biscuits with a rolling pin. Crush them so you get a mix of small and slightly bigger crumbs. This gives the frosting that realistic lunar texture. Mix the crumbs into the frosting. My cake looks ready, so I'm checking it with a toothpick and it came out clean, which means the cake is perfectly baked. Carefully remove the cake from the baking pan and let it cool completely. It's wonderfully soft and spongy. When you see cake is cooled down, then spread the moon frosting all over the top and side of the cake. To create the moon craters, I'm using the tip of my rolling pin handle and a few other round tools to press gentle circles into the frosting. Make some big and some small holes just like the real lunar surface. And now look at that, the cake looks absolutely perfect. This is my lunar surface mooncake, made to celebrate this proud and historic moment. It's simple, beautiful, and full of meaning. If you enjoyed this recipe, please like, share, and subscribe for more amazing creations. Thank you so much for watching my video. See you in my next recipe. Until then, keep celebrating, keep creating, and keep cooking with love.